Hi everyone, it's me Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I wanted to show you a project share. I used the Windmill easel die from Anna Griffin and all her supplies but one. I did use brads from Eyelet Outlet and Brads, and you can find them online. I find them at the Dallas craft show. So here it is. All the embellishments paper, but this brad is what I was talking about. And look, this is all movable and it stands up like this. Is that not pretty? This one says happy birthday. It stands up like that. And all the brads are just different. And I used her embellishments, but I cut them down to fit the size because they were kind of big. This is Make-A-Wish. So they're all just a little different. Make-A-Wish. Isn't her new paper beautiful? I just love it. Let's see. See how the green pops off and it just matches perfectly, and I just happen to have them. Get well wishes. Wishing you well. So I cut out the little windows by getting 3 little pieces of paper and sticking them under just the windows and running it. So because we didn't have a die for the windows, but I thought it looked really good when you also add the windows. It really popped it. Thank you. And a couple more. And the doors open. Happy birthday. I love the paper. So this is annagriffin.com, and you can also find Anna Griffin on HSN. I love that these move. I didn't put anything on this one. Sometimes I keep 1 or 2 blank so that depending on what I need on your birthday. Isn't that pretty? And one more. And this one, I put the butterfly on the windmill. And I love that the door opens. But this I cut down, and see, it's even big even though I cut it down. And thank you. So there you go, guys. Thank you. So I just also wanted to show you that I want to get to 10,000 followers here and on TikTok, and I'm at 9,200, and I am going to give a giveaway to 3 people in the 10,000 followers. Whoops, I bumped it. And I do Anna Griffin's Mystery Box once a month, and these are my extras. This is a cut and emboss folder for men. I don't know the name of it. Here's this one, but you get to pick one. The first place winner gets to pick the first one, then second, then third, to choose one out of these. If you live out of the United States, if you pay shipping, then I'll also mail it to you. And this flower cart, the wishing well. This is the cathedral shutter dies. It's got 2 different sets of dies. This is very heavy. This is the Salon Nouveau Impress dies. This is a luxury purse die. You can make it a card or a little box. And then this is got, I think, 16 dies. It's double layered here. And this is scrapbook crop at home border dies, but you know, you can use them for cards too. So go to TikTok and follow me. I normally follow people back, but if you follow me and I want to get to 10,000, there'll be 3 winners on this. So yeah, that's a pretty good deal. I'm very close. I'm only 800 people away, so let's see how quick this happens. It could take a year, but that's okay. These will be waiting. All right, guys, that is my project share. I hope you like it. Have a blessed day.